Hey guys, Josh here. Wanted to hop on as quick as I could and show you guys tomorrow's releases for Ironheart. I actually got tomorrow's releases and Monday's. So we're starting off with this new slubby heavy flannel from Ironheart. This is the IHSH 399. Beautiful fall colorway. If I had to guess, it's going to be the flannel of the year for Ironheart. It's the same slubby flannel that we had last year. It's heavy, similar to the UHS, but it's not made with Sparrow cotton. I think Ironheart has a whole spiel on YouTube about how they're trying to preserve some of the wild-grown Sparrow cotton. But neither here nor there. This is a great flannel that we're going to be releasing tomorrow at you know what time they're releasing? Is it 10 a.m.? All right, so I was close there. Love this piece. It's a double X. I'm 195. I'm 5'7". Got it on top of a heavy 316T. Also, we got a grip of Moto Ts in. Check these bad boys out. 4 colorways. The racing stripe arms. One's gray and black whole body. This is a 7.5 ounce. Loop wheel tee. Also on Friday's release, we're going to be restocking the 555 slub overdyed and slub.
Monday.
Did I say Friday? I'm sorry. Monday. Yeah. So we're going to be re-releasing the 555 slubby and the overdyed slub. Let me show off this Western. This will be a Friday's release as well. I'm going to show off the double X. All right. So this one here is the 14 ounce sulfur dyed black Western, black snaps. Again, double X. See that hue to that beautiful black sulfur already. Part number on this is the 396, so IHSH 396. Wearing a double X, and this one will fade. Unlike some of the other Johnny Cash's, this sulfur dye is going to fade more like your typical black denim jeans. But excited to have all these in. Got a good grip of the denim and a pretty healthy grip of the slub flannels. Hit us up if you guys have any sizing questions. One last shot. This is the part number. It'll take me a second to remember them. 396. It's in the red. This is the color stay, so it's not going to fade like the black sulfur. And keep that that rich red color. Beautiful piece, man. We've had a lot of people already ask us to hold them and save them. Unfortunately, guys, the demand, it's not fair to everybody if I start reserving too many pieces ahead of time. We want it to be fair for everyone on the release date. So they're going to be released on Monday at 10 o'clock. Guys, one last thing I almost forgot. The 888-2123 tucked underneath at the bottom of the box there. But if you want hardcore, heavy, raw denim, this is your baby. First thing that I noticed is the double selvage fly, which I really I appreciate as the owner of a pair of jeans. I'm sure nobody else is seeing that on my denim, but it is a detail that I appreciate. I don't know if you can kind of feel and see how crunchy and heavy this 21 ounce is, and the reason it's 23 ounce is, for instance, they're measuring that 21 ounce on the yard, on the spool. Every yard's 21 ounces, but what they don't consider is when you, let's say you shrink test that pair of that yarn, that yardage. You cut it off 1 yard at a time. It's 21 ounces. You do a shrink test, and then they reweigh it. Let's say if they would gauge for an extra 0.2 yards, they'll have to cut it a little bit larger, shrink test it. It shrinks down to 1 yard. Now it's 23 ounces. It's weighing more due to the shrinkage and the heft that it kind of grew from shrinking up. If that made any sense to you, I'm sorry if I butchered it, Duncan.
Yeah.
All right. So I think you guys understand what I'm talking about. 23, 21 ounce. One starts off raw. One measurement is for the post soak. If I've done a good job kind of showing y'all the thickness of that, drop a comment below. Let's all make fun of Duncan, not me. Holla at you.